Yeah, take a minute to count your blessings. Okay, we back from that. I know I've changed my attitudes doing acrobats. A lot invested in something that got no actions back. I know y'all feel me on this, waking up with no motivation, need some coffee and shit. I've been stuck trying to get all of this awfully lit. Overthinking, my uncle can't even call off the flip. Man, this is crazy. 10 years later, sitting on my shed, looking at the stars shine bright even though they dead. You ever look up and just think you the only one? You gotta set yourself aside from the phony ones. Cause people ain't who you think, ain't got no bread in their pocket, want you to pay for their drink. I'm doing this for myself, and if not me, for the team. Back of my head is the family, boy, this shit feel like a dream, I swear.
So tell them slow down. We doing 90 in a 35. Run lines, Nike just do it. Swoosh, we run lives. Fight us and you'll lose it. But I stay conducive to the music. Lucid with the truth, but I gotta stay fluid. River flowing over rocks, trying to stay cool with it. So you gotta speed it up. Do you go get it?